All right, with our smoked sausage, I am gonna add some purple onion right on top of that. If you don't like onion, you can skip this, but this is gonna be such an easy and delicious breakfast. Now I'm gonna grab some frozen spinach and we're gonna add it right into our spring form with our sausages and our onion. You don't need too much, just about a cup of spinach should do it. If I had more time, I would have let this thaw, but breakfast needs to be ready quick, so we're doing it with the frozen stuff today.
Yeah, I'm a little hungry.
Good. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and move this to the side and bring in 7 eggs. I know 7 is so random, but that's what we had in the fridge. So that's what we're working with today. And I have some half and half that we're gonna add into our eggs to make it extra fluffy and more quiche-like. So I'm gonna add about a cup of our half and half right in there. Now it's time for some seasoning. I have some garlic salt. You guys know I love my garlic. And you can season this however you like. But first you need to open up your seasoning. Don't be like me.
That happens a lot.
All right, well, might as well just do it the easy way, right? Perfect. That was about 2 teaspoons. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. You guys know I need to have my pepper. I'm gonna get some good seasoning. And then I'm gonna add some red pepper crushed right in there. Now this one is hard to get out, but I like a good amount. I like a little heat in my breakfast. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and whisk this up until it is a nice scrambled egg. Ooh, this is gonna go so perfectly with that spinach, that onion, those sausages. Now this is very versatile. You can do whatever breakfast meat you like. You can do whatever veggies you like. But like I said, I'm just using what I have in my fridge for a quick and easy breakfast for the few guests that are gonna be here any minute. But look how gorgeous this is coming out. We really want a nice pale yellow color. All right, once everything is nice and well mixed, it is time to pour this into our springform pan, just like so. And those are gonna puff up and create a beautiful quiche. Now I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese right on top. Perfect. And then last but not least, some freeze-dried chives. All right, now this is gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Oh my goodness. This smells incredible. Now, as you guys probably notice, it does have a little leakage when we put it in the spring form. So put a sheet pan underneath your spring form when you cook this. Okay, let's go ahead and release this baby though. Look at that. Let's go ahead and cut a slice. Oh my goodness. We have that sausage in there. I did grease my spring form. Ooh, that looks so good. The sausage is perfectly cooked. We have that delicious egg, the spinach, the onion, the cheese. This is gonna be incredible.
Is it good?
It's hot. That is really good, you guys.